السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. النهاردة ان شاء الله هنتكلم في يونت 2 الوحدة التانية لجريد 3 للصف الثالث الابتدائي بالنسبة لمادة الماس. طبعا يونت 1 بيتكلم على التيبلز لحد التيبل 9، وكمان بيراجع على الديفيجن او القسمة اللي انت خدتها السنة اللي فاتت. كده هنعيدها تاني، الكلام ده اتشرح وان شاء الله هيتعاد اكتر من مرة. سيادتك خدت السنة اللي فاتت اخر حاجة، اقوى حاجة كانت بالنسبة لك كانت هي 999 بالشكل ده. طيب لو انا جيت عملت بلس 1 here if we say 9 plus 1 9 plus 1 equals 10. Here we write 0 and carry up 1 plus 9 equals, it will be very good, it will be 10 0 and here rise up or carry up 1 plus 9 equals 10. Here we have 4 digits. If we want to read this number, we can say 1 2 3 and we will make comma after 3 digits as this form. Here we can say it's called 1000. Here we have sum of numbers. If we want to read this number, we will count 1 2 3. We can say together, we can say 3456. Again, 3456. 6 here its place value المكان بتاعها units, so here we can write 6. And here we have tens here equals 5. Here we have 5 place value, it will be in tens. Here hundreds 4 and here thousands, it will be 3. Again, if we want to read this number, we can say 3000 letters or words. He gave me number by digits and we want to write this number in letters. We can say 5478. 5 thousand four hundred and 78. The next here, he gave me 5 digits. What we can say, we can read this number as this form. We'll count 1 2 3. Here we have 43. We can say 43,215. Again, 43,215. $43,000. Don't forget thousand. 200 and 14. So here 43,214. Here he said write in digits or numbers. He gave me 25,611. Again, 25,611. He said write in digits. What we will do, he said 25,000. We write 25,611. So here, if we want to read this number, we can say 25,611. Again, this number we can say 25,611. The next, here he said 7,481. Again, 7,481. We write 7,000. We write 7,400. We write 4 and 81. We write 81. So here we can say 7,481. U here means units. Again, U meaning units. We start by U here meaning units without any zeros. Here he said T means tens, so here we write 0. 100 has 2 zeros, thousands has 3 zeros, and 10,000 has 4 zeros. Again here U units, T tens, H hundreds, TH meaning thousands, TH 10,000. Again T here meaning 10 and TH it will be thousand. Again units without any zeros. 10 has only 1 zero. 100 has 2 zeros. Thousands 3 zeros. 10,000 has 4 zeros. In this example he said 34,000. Again 34,000. Thousand we said before equals or meaning 3 zeros. So here we write 34 and we'll put 3 zeros from right side. Here he said 654 tens. Again 654 tens. We write 654 tens. Tens has only 1 zero, so we write 0 from right side. Here he said 310,000. 310,000. Here we write 310 meaning 0 and thousands how many zeros? 3 zeros. So we write 0 and here we have 3 zeros, so put 3 zeros. We can say 30,000. 310,000 means 30,000. He said complete. We have number, we will count 1, 2, 3. We can say 5,643. We have 4 spaces. We can start by 3 here. Units without any zeros. We said before. Here 4 lies in tens, so it will be 40. Here we have 6, it will be 600. And 5 means thousand, so we'll say 5 and 3 zeros. Question 2, he said very good, it will be 87,697 equals space plus 7,000 plus space plus 90 plus space. Here he writes 7 thousands, here he writes 7, okay, and also he write 90. So we will complete this question. We will write 8. 8 has how many zeros? Count how many digits before 8 from right side. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. So we write 4 zeros. Here we have 6 lies 100. How many zeros? 2 zeros. And here we have 7 units. It will be 7. In this question here he gave me number, and here also we have spaces, but here he said units, tens, hundreds, thousands. So units here 4 it will be U, units 5 tens, 7 hundreds, and 6 it will be thousand. Here he said units. He started by units. Where is units here? Very good, it will be 4. And tens, where is tens? Excellent, it will be 5. Here he gave me hundreds, or he asked about hundreds. Hundreds here equals 7, so here we write 7. Here he said thousands. Where is thousands? Here 6, so here we write 6. Be careful, don't put any zeros. Here we can say 40, 600, 5000, but here 700, only 7 without any zeros. The next, we have 5 digits here, so we can say 21,348. Here he talk about tens. Where is tens here? We said before, units, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000. Again, 8 units, 4 tens, 3 hundreds, 1 thousands, 2 it will be 10,000. 8 lies. Very good. Units, digits, units. 8 it will be units. Where is units here? Very good, we can write 8. After that 4 it will be tens. Where is 4? Excellent, it will be here. Here he said hundreds. Where is hundreds? Hundreds it will be 3, so here we write 3. Here we said thousands. Thousands, where is thousands? It will be 1, so here we write 1. Here he said 10,000. Where is 10,000? It will be 2. Very good. The next, he gave me some of questions and he asked about solve it. He said 56,000. We can say 56 as it is, and here he said thousands. Thousands has 3 zeros. Very good, we write 3 zeros. Why? Because here thousands meaning 3 zeros. Here he said 432. 432 units. Units without any zeros, so it will be 432. The next here he said 345 tens. 345 tens here means 0, so here we'll put 0 from right side. 660 hundreds. Again 600, it's like song. 660 hundreds. Here we write 660, and here he said hundreds has 2 zeros, so we'll put 2 zeros as this form. It will be 66,000. Nice question. Here he said 8,000 equals space tens. Be careful, please. Here he said 8,000. We write 8 and 3 zeros from right side. But here he said tens. Tens has only 1 zero. Now we can cancel together. Here we can cancel 0 and here also 0. Here we have 800. It will be 800 tens. The next here we have 23,000. 23 and 3 zeros from right side. Here opposite he said hundreds. 23,000 equals space hundreds. We can cancel 2 zeros together and write the remainder here. So it will be 230 hundreds. He said 360 hundreds. Again 360 hundreds has 2 zeros. Here we write 360 above, and here we put 2 zeros because here he said hundreds. In the other side he said thousand. Thousand has 3 zeros. We can cancel together 3 zeros by 3 zeros. Where is the remainder? Remainder here equals 36, so here we write 36. Here also he said 28,000. We say 28,000 equals base tens. 10 has only 1 zero. We can cancel together. We can cancel 0 by 0. Remainder here equals 2,800. Be careful. Here 2, 8 and 3 zeros. Here also 2, 8 and 3 zeros. Here he said hundreds. 100 has 2 zeros. We can cancel 2 zeros by 2 zeros here. Remainder here equals 280. Here he said equal space only, without anything, without units, without tens, without 100, without anything. So write 28 and 3 zeros. Here he said but less than, he said less than, more than, or equals. Here we have two numbers, we must count 1, 2, 3, 4, and here also 1, 2, 3, 4. So here we write 4 and here 4. We will start from right side. Left side. Here we have 5 and here 5 equals. Here we have 4, 4 equals. Here 6 and here 5. Which is greater here, 6 or 5? We can say 6 here more than 5, so sign it will be more than. Here count 1, 2, 3, 4, we write 4, and here count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, here we write 5. Which is greater here? So very good, it will be 5. 5 here more than 4. Count 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We can say equals. Be careful. Here we have 4 digits and here also we have 4 digits. So what we will do, from left side, here we have 6 and here we have 3. Which is greater here, 6 or 3? Very good, 6 it will be greater here. So sign here it will be more than. Here he said 34, be careful, he said 3400. So write 34 and 2 zeros from right side. And here we can say 340 and here 10 also it will be 0. We can say equals, very good, 3400 and here also 3400. We have 54 thousands. Thousand has 3 zeros from right side, and here we have 450. Hundreds has 2 zeros. Again, thousands has 3 zeros. We write 54 here above, and from right side we write 3 zeros as this form, and here we have 450, and hundreds has 2 zeros. So it will be equals, no, be careful. Here we have 54, and in the other side he said 45, which is greater here. Very good, it will be 54, so it will be more than. In this question he said arrange in an ascending order. Again he said ascending order. What's the meaning of ascending order? From smallest to greatest. We have sum of numbers and we want to rearrange them, but he said from smallest to greatest. Again, from smallest to greatest. First we must count. Here count 1, 2, 3, 4. Here write 4. And here 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here write 5. And here also count 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Where is the smallest number? The smallest number here, it will be 678. Again, it will be 678. So here we cancel 678. Here we have 4 digits, here 5 digits, and here 4, 4. Where is the smallest number? Here we want smallest number. So here it will be 3, or forget 5, 6 or 3. Oh, we have 2, 3 here, and here also 3. What we'll do, here 4 and here also 4. The next, here we have 5 and here also we have 4. Where is the smallest here, 5 or 4? It will be 4. So here we'll take 3441. Cancel the next. And third, here it will be, very good, 3456. Here also it will be 6578. and here is the greatest number 12,345. He said arrange in a descending order. What's the meaning of descending order? From greatest to smallest. Again, he said descending order. Be careful. Here he said descending. We have D, descending order from greatest to smallest. We'll count all digits here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here we write 5. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. Also here we write 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here we write 5. And here count 1, 2, 3, 4. Here also it will be 4. Here he said the greatest number. We have two numbers. He said the greatest. What we'll do in this situation? He said the greatest. What we'll do here, we have 5 digits and here also 5 digits. Which of them? Here we have 12,345 and here 78,987. Which is the greater here? It will be 78,987. So we will start by 78,987. Which is the next? It will be very good. It will be 12,345. Here we have 4, 4, 4. Here we have 5, 2, 4. Where is the greatest here? 5, 2, 4 is the greatest. Very good. It will be 5. So here we write 5, 4, 67. 5,467. The next it will be 4,356. Last number here, or the smallest number here, it will be 2,346.